moving then. Damn.
Welcome back to game 2. Battling boxes to game 1.
Stop fucking moving the table, Melvin! I kicked it on mistake. God. Fuck!
There's always a blast in here when the whole TNYC is here.
No, we just need me for everything.
Hi.
So this is game 2. Wind-up's gonna go first?
Yeah, go
He's gonna go first?
Wind-up is done.
Like I said, they're playing for honey buns.
Dead ups.
They're playing.
Dead ups.
Yeah, Junior, that shit dying,
I'm
man.
summon Thunder King.
Kill himself.
I gotta beat him for that.
Anything my boxer gonna kick that shit out.
I go.
Uh-oh. Oh, let's see the boxer.
Oh, what the fuck?
Damn. Damn, his deck. He just dying. Oh, boxer. He had to do he like this to you, like, give me the 1, 2. Knock your ass out.
Oh,
Okay.
That's it.
Damn. Gotta look at the set card he got.
Yo, I am not drawing any of my combos, yo.
Dude, you better not lose this time, my nigga. I swear you better not lose.
He's like, damn, he has a counter for everything
Go.
back there.
Every someone save you. Oh, he got this card.
You still get the search, right?
It depends on what you do.
Yeah, he did this.
Oh, I get to search.
Yeah, he took it the and he gave me second 1 for the baby.
What the?
Oh, he negated it. Joe wanted to.
I did not need that in my hand.
Damn, dude, you just dying.
No.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I wish I could do blaster.
Uh-oh. I think you full, I want you full burial. I had it, full burial magic card.
You don't
They get blast sword.
Blast voice?
Show them what you dump in the graveyard and they can't see it.
Switch it.
So sure. Put it like a little bit more.
He's the best one of all of them.
I'll put it this way. No, this way.
Can't see nothing.
Really?
They can see a little bit. Just put your the monsters a little bit over there.
You should.
You just need a big camera.
All right.
There we go. That's good.
2000. Mirror Force.
Now I look right.
He won 1.
I wish.
Because I wish I could draw all my time.
Sure.
You still get recycle.
No, I don't, because he's gonna destroy both.
He gets his card back.
They're gonna destroy both. Chain Link 1 is the only way he gets his effect.
What?
You don't understand chains.
Chain
But
one.
what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go.
When they all get
Right
destroyed
here.
together, they don't get the fat.
And now he's destroyed. And now I get the chain.
That's just stupid then.
You don't understand. And you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, tanky. But none of some tanky. I'm saying that.
Don't let him summon Tenki.
I mean, summon the rabbit.
And he's a 6-hand player.
For what?
I don't know how he says all his effects.
But he's not it sounds different from all these shit.
This is how he describes Shen. He be like,
Maybe I negate all your shit.
Melvin is the.
I'm the king of
What is it?
negation.
Negation, destruction.
I'm like, negate.
Alright.
I'll take 15.
Oh.
Say Melvin. Say it loud and proud.
I go.
I negate. I'm gonna get, for Halloween, I'm gonna get a costume Shein. I'm saying, I'm gonna negate. You gonna see me with Shein. I'm gonna get that sword too, like, negate.
Yo, comment down below if you want to see a picture of that. Melvin as a Shein at Halloween.
I'm gonna look for
Man, they gotta wait all the way to October though. Holy shit.
You can start looking at it for right now.
My nigga, yo, go to Comic Con with me and dress like Shen.
Nigga go like, who are you? Shein, negate.
I got one word to describe you. Negate!
I'll bring the car with me too, like, everybody know who I am. You know who I am, I? Uh-oh. Attack. Oh! Oh! 18. 18. Damn.
Should I? It's Magician.
Uh-oh, Junior.
I'll take it.
Oh, he took it. Shoulda. You shoulda.
Please let me the right one, please.
Fuck!
Oh!
Damn, he hit gold with that one.
Hit the mother low.
He won't do shit.
Nigga think he was shit. Oh, I see what you're doing. I know what you're doing. I know what you're doing. I know what you're trying to do. I know that when I see this, and I see that, I know what you're trying to do. I'm like, why you stomach him instead of him? Like, I'm thinking about it. It's on. I got it. I know what you're trying to do.
Yeah, Melvin is battling boxers too.
Yeah, he plays Battlin. I gave him the whole deck basically.
For cheap too.
And 2 blasters.
That's what. Nah, it goes.
What you expect? You bought like 4 boxes. He's like, you can make the deck. He had like 3 decks. So
He can make the he can make the box. He can make match it.
Wait, what happened to Wind Up Rabbit? I mean, Wind Up Rat. Wind Up Rat.
Get ready.
I had the deck too, but I choose not to play it.
For magician festival.
Oh, okay. Wait, why is he there though?
Activate one of the rap to remove him.
Straight.
And
Oh,
then
you could choose anyone though?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I never see that effect. You always see
grab it.
yeah.
See the good combo about that. Just
Oh, Shotmaster?
You gonna Shockmaster me?
Shotmaster?
I hope you don't got bombs.
Let's shock you, man.
Shotmaster?
Wait, I wanna know what he's gonna call. Nah, hold on.
False. Damn.
Melvin again.
Go.
Ow!
Now I can't see the deck because he moved it.
Nigga, I can't. This is mad close.
So don't stand there.
You don't move that, move forward. Let's say.
No, don't move forward to me. No.
I just moved the camera.
I'm gonna kick the shit out of that shit.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm gonna kick the shit out.
See, Melvin just fucked up the whole shit.
What the motherfucker? You niggas have a long ass table for no reason. Y'all only use half of it.
That's all I have. I can't afford another one. Why buy a new one when I already have it? So
I'm gonna kick it.
Oh, that was me. Oh shit.
This game got toss a bag and take it away.
Damn, Junior. Damn, Junior was Shotmaster.
Go.
Every time I go Shotmaster, because I hate when they do that. It's like that. I hate that.
Too many resources.
Yeah, it's when you fucking waste 3 months.
you go shot messing when they don't have no background.
Right.
Rabbit.
Oh, Magician. What you guys have?
Shark.
Oh! Oh, another rabbit.
Oh.
Poppy, he come Poppy, guys. Look at this. Look at this.
One
How-
wave.
Oh no, you can use it. This is this.
Oh, you see, okay, I understand.
You did
say-
magician effect.
Trying to
Uh-oh.
go hard on me.
They saying go hard to the limit. Do you get
I
it?
see glare. I can't see the cover. By the way, that's a rat all the way in the back.
Oh, you think I'm the rabbit? I'm
No, it's that the rat over there is.
This?
No,
No,
Junior's.
the
White
rat
the other one.
is blurry. I'm just saying that is a. It's a
Look
rat.
at that. Look at that.
Special.
Special again?
Wait, how did he get specials again?
Rabbit effect.
Yeah.
Oh.
And he used magician effect to swim it with the warrior. Let me get one.
Hard on me.
Like, I don't want to play. I see you play.
That's a different play.
They're the same play. You told me mad
No, this is two. This is. Oh, you know, there's a three rank 3 coming out, right?
Yeah, you know that.
Is that good?
I don't know.
You know, you're a magician that
They
game.
already had one, but
They don't.
Dark
Yeah.
Myth.
Who?
Dark Myth.
Oh. No, it's 3 rank 2s.
That's two. Oh, 3. You
said
talking about 3s? Oh yeah.
Magician's at gateway, but it's just one. It's worse. You
For
can't.
what?
So I get
They
round
token.
4.
Oh,
Yeah, you can do that.
they-
And then you
they
can score
did it for the
magician.
2 3s.
He goes to a magician,
Oh, okay.
and then
You know,
you
Poppy.
pop it fat to get it back.
But
And
this,
then
card, this effect can only be used once while he's on face up on the field.
Yeah.
that's what I'm
What's the
saying.
effect?
Let me see. I'm
Fraudulent!
That I was telling them, but when told me to get
No,
6
once
back.
while this card is face up on the field, can you use?
Exactly.
That's what I was saying.
Position to defense, and then it goes back face up.
Okay, and then you can't use the effect again because you already used the effect.
That's what I was trying to say before. They told me you can.
I've seen it before happen. I don't know.
They were telling me you
It says
can.
it right here. Once while face up field on the court.
Yes, you see? Think I said, I was arguing about that. The whole time I was arguing with him with that. And he's like, I don't know. Comment down below if you know the effect.
I know the effect, nigga.
No, I knew about it too. I read it. I said the same thing, but he said, oh, it still works. Like, fuck it. It still works then. Left it.
So they only could do it once. Yeah,
Yeah,
it
but
says
then-
it there.
So I don't go this nigga.
You told me you could do it in
That's
Death
why I
Row.
said go 3, 4.
He told me you could do it in Death Row though, he said.
3 and 4.
You didn't see? He said you could do it in Death Row.
Because he uses 2 different rats. Normally he would have 2 different rats. That's why.
Do that too.
No, he used this one and he used this one already.
Confusing.
Okay, now the dude's getting boring. Spice it up. Spice it up.
I wanna go for somebody, but I'm just waiting for him. Dumbass. Spaghetti out.
I'm hungry.
Let's go for Zenmains. Or what?
Yeah, you see, that deck is dead now.
How did you do, how?
Shotmaster?
Oh, okay, okay.
I did compose shit Shotmaster, wait. Oh, yeah, you did
What can
compose.
I call it? Spells, traps, monster effects?
Monster attack.
You sure you wanna do that?
Yeah.
You sure you wanna do
Yeah.
that? Okay.
Attack. I don't know how much it took.
That was
to go.
13. And I draw Dark Hole.
Alright, go.
Oh, that's the weak.
Yeah, so that's why he's dead. I tell you, she's dead, you tell me. Yeah, you didn't look at the ruling for that. You had to. That shit confusing. I told him the same thing. He told me you can't.
Usually, I think it's the if you put it face down,
No, it's
flip up, then you
yeah, when you put it face down, flip up, you can use the effect again, but either way, it's
Special
up.
man? Was that summoning condition? Is that part of the effect? Sounds like a summoning condition.
I don't know.
Let me see what's that. Let me see.
Thrasher.
Yeah, you can you let me see.
No, because I
He's not activating the effect.
Oh yeah, you call monster effect. Yeah, you can call.
Can't.
Yeah, but you can still summon BLS.
You can?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's one
It's a
light, one
summoning
dark.
condition.
I think you can special summon him.
Yeah, it's something it's true. It say right here, so you cannot be. I think you can. I don't know. Go ahead. I don't think you can really do. Can't look at that.
It sucks what I gotta do.
Uh-oh. It says sucks. You can't use the fact.
Fucking right, I can't do that.
Monster effect.
Damn, it is everywhere too. Take your rack.
Alright.
Go. Please tell us if I'm right or wrong.
I think poppy effect is wrong.
What?
Ah, Jimmy, you fucking get poppy effect.
You already used this thing.
Jack it. No, it goes back.
Once while face up on the field, bitch!
Damn.
Oh,
You
the
had
whole
to flip him
time?
face down like, to do it again.
How you do that then?
Huh? Well, that's why you have wind up Zenmei still.
Alright,
Wow, Zenmei.
It doesn't say once per turn, it says once while face up on the field.
Nigga Junior feel like I don't feel like playing this deck anymore.
Go back to chaos. Go back to chaos.
Yeah, it's back to chaos.
Still call monsters.
Monsters, attack. Oh shit.
Move up. Fuck it. Tag.
200,
Tag.
21,
Tag. 600.
27.
He had tag? Hey, once that ruling,
Spice it up, yo. Taking-
How much I can fucking do?
Alright, go.
It's too fast. It's really long, that's why.
Hurry up.
You call monster. This game either way. Attack. Go.
Yeah, team. But he's trying to map you.
Yeah. that's
Oh,
game.
no, he's not. He's not even trying to
Oh, he called monster effect.
Yeah. You would have gamed him if he didn't do that.
Fuck the monster. Tag.
3,
Tag.
6.
You would have gamed him if he didn't call monster effect. He could have just won right there.
Go.
He better go to the Kalu.
Yeah, he got
Can't
it.
use it.
Yeah,
It's monster effect.
but you know what I'm saying? You scared Kalu. I thought you did monster
I
effect.
said that was game 2.
This game.
I'm sorry
Yeah,
for
I
before you
thought
saw it.
I knew you were going something.
Anyway, I'm sorry for the
I
video
was
was
trying to
long.
decide
I see you in
here.
game 3.